Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. This your man's? This your man's? Is this your king?
Oh, hold up. Gotta get ready. Dome piece.
Sniper Jones?
Shit, yeah, bro.
Hey, Sniper Jones, man, where the free merch at, man? I need my sniper gang. No Kodak back.
Ready?
Yeah, man. Is this your king? Is this your king? Just all over.
Y'all mean?
Pick a shoe out the shroom, that's how the day be. Whoa, got way more kicks than a pregnant lady. Hey, yeah, started off with the son, the trade master. He's stealing trays like he the hat slinging slasher.
YouTube, what is good? Generational Hype Beast is back at you with yet another video, man. And sorry about the delay, man. Been a couple of weeks. I'm just gonna be honest, man. It's virtually impossible for us to push out videos like
During holidays.
2-3 times a week, holidays, all of that stuff, man. We are just too busy, man. Too busy. So apologies, man. This is just how the channel gonna roll, man. Hopefully y'all continue to roll with us, man. But if not, I understand. I know y'all here for the sneakers. And I'm still gonna be copping sneakers, so it is what it is, right? So, did I just go off on a rant?
Yeah, he did go on a little rant. I don't know where that came from. But you know what? I'm here and we live in life. You see that in,
Yeah, man. So today, man, picked up a little something, man. It's not early. It did release today. Today is Thursday the 10th. It's the 10th. Yeah, bro. Time is moving, man. Excuse me. So, yeah, it is the 10th, man, and these released today. They released in 2 colorways. I did choose to just get one. I had the option to get both several times, actually. I could have got them off of...
Sneakers probably?
No, it was Mr. Porter. Mr. Porter app, man. Got a shout out to J23 app. I think that's where it came from. Or Kicks Finder, one of the two. I got the alert, man. It was like, yo, size is available. I went straight to it. Bam, bam, bam. Put it in the cart. And got all the way to PayPal and was like, I don't need both of them, man. 2019, man, I'm just buying stuff that's going to feet, man. I'm not going to be just buying all of this stuff, man. Streamlining it, man. Last year, man, spent a boatload of dough on sneakers, man. So this year, man, I'm gonna try to be a little frugal boy about it. You know what I'm saying?
New Year's resolution, I guess.
Yeah, man, just trying to, just moving different, man. Just moving different. It's 2019 and it's got me moving different, But these guys are cold. Let's go ahead and get into the box, man.
No Trump. You
see regular Nike lifestyle box, the black guy. Everything about that is what it is. Air Force One 07 ACW, man. That ACW stands for
the Berlin Wall.
A cold world, man. Cold world, man. Cold world, man.
Boy, if you don't...
Cold
world. A cold wall.
J. Cole.
It's late, man. It's late. And your boy is tired, man. It's a cold wall, man. A cold wall.
It's a cold wall, man. It's a cold world.
So this colorway is white, black, light gray.
And carpet.
It is a size 10.5. So that means it's a personal pair for Pops. 3 P's, personal pair for Pops. Y'all mean? And that's the shoe, man. That is the shoe. Cold Wall, Air Force One, in the white colorway, man. Right off the rip. What's your thoughts, man? What's your thoughts?
Well, first off, shout out to John, man. We got that carpet colorway going off right here. It's almost like that insulation type. You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah, it's definitely different, man. It's definitely different. A lot of cool features about this shoe, man. First and foremost, only 4 lace holes, man. 4 lace holes.
That's weird.
I rock with that. It's got a really short, gleam. It's got a really short shoelace in it, man. So that is what it is. I am seeing a little glue stain on my carpet. You see that right there? So I'm not exactly happy about that guy right there, but it is what it is,
It'd
man.
be like that, man.
Yeah, it'd be like that. People be getting all bent out of shape. At the end of the day, it's shoes, man. You're gonna put them on your feet, they're gonna get dirty. It is what it is. But it's got the cold wall. It's got the cold wall logo. Tired, y'all. Tired. It's got it there on the tongue as well.
Another thing that's noticeable, there are also like little specks, almost like a jawbreaker all over the midsole and the actual sole.
Yeah, low key, there's a little something there. And
Look, I don't know if y'all can see that, but you can see a little sparkle, a little bubble on it.
the midsole is actually white, and then underneath is a cream or an off-white color on the actual sole, man. So that's a little different. And that speckle does run all the way through the sole, like he was saying.
It's actually dope.
It's
now that I look at it more,
It's a dope shoe, man. The original Akowal Nike collab was a high top Air Force One, man. I'll pop a picture up right here. This guy is going for like 3 bands or something crazy. Like,
free bet.
yeah, it's going for a lot of money, man. But these guys are definitely affordable, man. I just think it's a lot of people that don't really know what a Akowal is, man. I got a few pieces of Akowal. I've been picking them up.
Shoot, I be picking up that J. Cole too.
Samuel Ross, man. Samuel Ross is the guy that created a Akowal. He actually was under Virgil and Off-White. Virgil actually went out to the UK to get him, man. Put him on the team, man. They worked together. He mentored him, all of that. And then he jumped out there, man. I think it was 2015. I think it was around 2015, man. He jumped out there and started his Akowal brand, and just been going up and up and up. And I think now with these type of collabs, you know, a lot of people didn't necessarily know about Off-White until they did the Nike collab, and then they just exploded. Like now it's just almost annoying with how many people trying to catch up to Off-White. But definitely, man, y'all go check out Samuel Ross, man. He's out of the UK, man. He's doing his thing. His line is crazy. And if you saw my recent IG post, I'll pop a picture of that up right here as well. The shirt underneath the ATATF jacket is a Akowal shirt, and it's definitely dope.
Shout out ATATF.
Shout out to ATATF, man. And definitely shout out to the plug for saving me a pair of these, man. Because I was on the fence, man. I didn't know if I was going to grab them, and I'm certainly glad that I grabbed these guys, man. I haven't slipped it on feet, man. I'm about to slide this guy on feet right now. True to size, man. True to size. This is a 10.5, and it's perfect. And it actually feels pretty good. Yeah. So, I'm going to have a hard time not wearing these, but I think I'm going to try to save them for the summertime. Because it's definitely a summer shoe. The black shoe, if you want a shoe for right now, man, grab the black shoe. I
seen the black shoe on Kenny O'Neill's Snapchat.
Yeah, I think the black is going for around $230, somewhere around there. Retail is only like $190, something like that. So it's only about $30 or $40 over retail. You can get it off of StockX right now, man. So if you guys want these guys, go grab them, man. Go pick them up, because they will go up. I'm just gonna tell y'all, they're not gonna stay at that $30, $40 over the retail for long. I promise you, man. You see me unlacing these guys and giving them a tie. I have seen some pictures on IG of people who actually went ahead and put the lace holes in these, but I think that's crazy. Like I won't do that. This was designed this way, man. I'm gonna keep it just like this because I think it's dope, and this is how I'll be rocking them, bro. So other than that, man, we got a couple of more things coming in January. Fear Gods and the Creams. Hopefully I get my hands on those. If not, it is what it is, man. Let me have a talk with y'all, real talk. There's a sneaker release every week, man. I get comments and people hit me up, DMs and all of that, and they like, man, I really wanted this, I really wanted that, man. Treat the sneaker game like basketball. Like you go down, you playing basketball, you go down the court, you take the shot, Either you make it or you miss it. Like either way, you keep playing, right? You go back down, you play D, then you come back, you take another shot. Sneakers is the same way, man. Like you can't get every sneaker. You really can't.
Unless you're like James Harden and you get a foul every time you shoot the ball.
Even me, man. I don't get every sneaker, man. There was plenty of sneakers that I missed out on that I wanted. You know, last year. I mean, like a lot of them. Some of them I had to get, you know, take some other stuff and flip it into that sneaker that I wanted, and some of it I just passed on, man. All of those Consortium 4Ds that dropped last year, I wanted every single one of those, and just couldn't put my hands on them. So
you got one pair of 40s and sold them.
Yeah, those was the Alpha Edges though, man. I wanted the Consortiums. Those was a little different, but I'm saying all that to say, man, don't be discouraged if you can't get these sneakers, man, because at the end of the day, it's just sneakers. It's another one coming. Like, every week, it's some more fire coming. Every week, you know. You got those coming. You got Bread 4s coming. You got the patent leather UNC colorway coming. You got that, you know. I'm forgetting. There's at least 5 or 6 more shoes in January coming. That's dope.
There's some more Off-White for you hype bitch.
Yeah. Off-White 90s, I want to say, in 2 colorways.
I think that's
coming.
the last pair of Off-Whites ever. Besides if they ever restock any, but that would be like the last pair they.
Yeah, even those, I'm on the fence about those. Like I got so many Off-Whites, I don't know that I need to add
Then hook a brother up.
Let's see, bro. Let's see. I think I'm gonna start going back into my stuff that I really like. That you know, it's not necessarily hype. Like Blazers, man. They got a couple of colorways of Blazers coming. That's dope.
Or Diodorus.
I mean, I rock with Diodorus too, man. I'm on my Tony D right now, man. Tony D be rocking on everything, Saucony, everything, man. So I'm kind of feeling that wave right now, man. I'm going back to my roots, I feel like. So y'all stick with the kid, man, because I got some more stuff coming. It's gonna be, you know, stuff that you and me can talk about and you and me can touch. Because all of this hype stuff, I'm still gonna be chasing the hype, man. Don't get it twisted, but sometimes you just gotta touch some stuff that everybody can touch and show them how to make it dope. So
I might start doing some outfit videos with this.
There we go, man. We're gonna freak some stuff for y'all, man. So anyway, man, Cold Wall's in the building, man. Yes, sir. These guys. StockX, man. StockX, if you missed your pairs. Unless you small feet gang, I did see on sneakers, the white is sold out, but the black had like 3 sizes left, like 7, 7.5, 8, something like that. So if you want them black guys, they might still be available, shout it.
I just want the Off-Whites. I'm good. Saving my money. Pick and choose your poison.
So that is it, man. It is track season, man. You see the Hillgrove Hawk thing going, man. It's officially track season come Monday. So time already gonna be limited, but I'm gonna push out as many videos as I can for y'all, man. What else you got, man?
Man.
ETSU tomorrow, he'll be jumping. By the time this video is out, he will be on his way to ETSU. So y'all get a youngin' a shout out, man. Wish him a good luck. We're gonna see how he do with whatever pose I got, man. We just we're gonna make it do what it do, man.
Get money.
So that's it, man. Thank y'all for pulling up with the kids. Dad, son, Cams.
Get my neck.
Gotcha.